Welcome! Today we're exploring how artificial intelligence, AI, can make life after 50 easier, richer, and more connected. AI isn't just for tech experts. It's already quietly helping us every day, like a personal assistant in the background. It's not about replacing real connections, but enhancing them, giving us more time for health, passions, and loved ones. We'll uncover 5 practical, life-changing ways AI can empower us in this chapter of life. Let's demystify AI and see it as a tool for living more fully. Ready for your aha moment? Let's begin. Imagine a world where you control your home with your voice. A world where technology seamlessly integrates into your daily life, responding to your every command with ease and precision. Think about the possibilities, the convenience, and the sheer simplicity of it all. No typing, no menus, just simple conversation. It's like having a personal assistant always ready to lend a hand, or rather, an ear. You speak, it listens, and actions are taken. It's intuitive, it's natural, and it's incredibly efficient. Voice assistants like Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri are here to help, ready to simplify your life in countless ways. They are the digital companions that are always on standby, waiting for your next instruction, making technology feel human and accessible. They bridge the gap between complex systems and everyday users, ensuring that everyone, regardless of their technical expertise, can benefit from the power of artificial intelligence. Need to call your sister while cooking? Just say, "Hey Google, call my sister." It's that simple. No need to wash your hands, fumble with your phone, or interrupt your culinary masterpiece. No need to stop what you're doing. Your voice becomes the remote control, seamlessly integrating into your workflow. Forgot your grocery list? We've all been there, staring blankly at the shelves, trying to recall what we needed. Say, "Hey Siri, add milk to my shopping list," and watch the magic happen. And it's on your phone at the store. No more forgotten items, no more wasted trips. Just a simple, efficient way to manage your shopping needs. Adjust the thermostat, finding that perfect level of comfort without lifting a finger. Play music, setting the mood for any occasion with a simple voice command. Or get reminders to take medication, ensuring you stay on track with your health and well-being. All with a few words. It's the power of simplicity, transforming complex tasks into effortless interactions. These assistants offer independence, comfort, and control, empowering you to manage your environment and stay connected with the world around you, especially for those with mobility challenges. They provide a voice-activated gateway to a more accessible and convenient lifestyle. Stay informed with weather updates, planning your day with confidence. News, keeping abreast of current events without having to reach for a newspaper or turn on the television. Or recipes read aloud, guiding you through each step of the cooking process with clear and concise instructions. No more squinting at screens. Give your eyes a rest and let your ears do the work. They're patient, judgment-free, and adapt to your pace. No matter how many times you ask the same question, they'll respond with the same helpfulness and clarity. Start small, ask for the time or a joke, breaking the ice and familiarizing yourself with the technology, and see how easy it is. You'll be surprised at how quickly you adapt and how much you come to rely on these digital assistants. It's not about laziness, it's about optimizing your life and making the most of your time. It's about reclaiming your time and energy for what matters most. Spend more time with loved ones, pursue your passions, and simply enjoy life to the fullest. Embrace this modern helper and make your daily life lighter and more joyful. Let technology work for you, not the other way around. That's the power of AI at your command, transforming the way you live, work, and interact with the world. It's a future where technology empowers us all. Health is our foundation, the bedrock upon which we build our lives. It's the energy that fuels our passions, the strength that carries us through challenges, and the clarity that allows us to savor every moment. And in this modern age, AI is rapidly becoming a powerful ally in staying well. It's no longer a futuristic fantasy, but a present-day reality that's transforming how we approach healthcare and personal wellness. Smartwatches and fitness trackers now offer a window into our inner workings, constantly monitoring heart rate, providing valuable data on cardiovascular health and stress levels. They track our sleep, analyzing sleep cycles and identifying potential disturbances that could impact our overall health and well-being. And more, giving you real-time insights into your body, empowering you to make informed decisions about your lifestyle and health choices. This constant stream of data allows for a proactive approach to wellness. If something's off, if your heart rate spikes unexpectedly, or your sleep patterns drastically change, you get an alert. A gentle nudge to pay attention to what your body is telling you, prompting you to investigate further and seek professional advice if needed. Share this data with your doctor, providing them with a comprehensive overview of your health trends and potential concerns. This allows for more personalized care and early detection of potential health issues, leading to more effective treatment and better outcomes. It's about working together to optimize your health journey. AI-powered reminders and smart pill dispensers are revolutionizing medication management, ensuring that you take the right dose at the right time. They help you manage medication, simplifying complex regimens and reducing the risk of errors, alerting you and loved ones if a dose is missed, providing an extra layer of security and peace of mind, especially for those with memory challenges or complex medication schedules. These tools create a safety net, providing a sense of security and support for both individuals and their families, especially for families living far apart, offering a way to stay connected and informed about the health and well-being of loved ones, regardless of distance. They also encourage healthy habits, reminding you to move, breaking up sedentary periods, and promoting physical activity throughout the day. Hydrate, ensuring you're drinking enough water to support optimal bodily functions and overall health. Or meditate, guiding you through mindfulness exercises to reduce stress, improve focus, and promote emotional well-being. It's like having a wellness coach on your wrist, providing personalized guidance and support to help you achieve your health goals. Supporting your journey every day, offering encouragement, motivation, and valuable insights to help you stay on track and make lasting lifestyle changes. The goal isn't to replace doctors, but to enhance the doctor-patient relationship by providing more data and facilitating more informed conversations, but to empower you with knowledge and peace of mind, giving you the tools and information you need to take control of your health and well-being. See your smartwatch as more than a gadget. It's a powerful tool for self-discovery, a window into your body's unique needs and rhythms. It's a lifeline for a healthier, more vibrant life, enabling you to live each day to the fullest, with energy, vitality, and a sense of well-being. That's AI, quietly working for your well-being, a silent partner in your quest for a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. Our relationships are everything, but distance or hearing loss can make staying connected tough. AI bridges these gaps. Live captioning apps provide real-time subtitles for phone calls, making conversations accessible for everyone. Translation tools let you speak across languages, turning your phone into a universal translator. Video calls are easier than ever. Just say, "Hey Google, call my daughter," and you're instantly connected. Smart cameras keep you in frame, making chats feel natural and close. Speech to text lets you dictate messages, so arthritis or small keyboards don't hold you back. AI removes barriers, ensuring your stories and love reach those who matter most. These tools fight isolation, making communication frequent and effortless. It's about dignity, inclusion, and keeping bonds strong. Technology, when used with heart, brings us closer together. Let AI be your bridge to the people you love. Connection is just a voice or tap away. After health and connection, it's time for joy, relaxation, and entertainment. AI acts as your personal concierge on platforms like Netflix and Spotify, learning your tastes and suggesting movies, shows, or music you'll love. No more endless scrolling. AI brings the best options to you, saving time and frustration. It nudges you to discover new favorites, broadening your horizons comfortably. E-readers and audiobook apps recommend books tailored to your interests, making every read a delight. This personalization extends to news and videos, creating a digital world that feels relevant and engaging. You're always in control, give feedback, and the AI learns to serve you better. Entertainment isn't just fun, it keeps your mind sharp and your spirit inspired. Embrace those recommended for you sections. They're invitations to joy and discovery. Let AI make your downtime richer and more personal. Your next favorite story or song is just a click away. Home is our sanctuary, the place where we unwind, recharge, and feel most at ease. It's where memories are made, families connect, and life unfolds. We all want to feel safe and secure within our own four walls, knowing that our loved ones and belongings are protected. And now AI is redefining what it means to feel safe and secure, offering a new level of protection and peace of mind. It's not just about alarms and locks anymore. It's about intelligent systems that learn, adapt, and proactively respond to potential threats. Smart security cameras distinguish between people, recognizing familiar faces and alerting you to strangers. This advanced technology minimizes false alarms and ensures that you're only notified when something truly requires your attention. cars, identifying makes and models, and even alerting you to suspicious vehicles lingering near your property. This level of detail provides an extra layer of security and helps deter potential intruders. And animals. No more false alarms triggered by your furry friends. The system intelligently differentiates between pets and potential threats, ensuring that you're not constantly bombarded with unnecessary alerts. Get real-time notifications about what matters, delivered directly to your smartphone or tablet, keeping you informed and in control no matter where you are. Like, your daughter has arrived, providing reassurance and peace of mind, knowing your loved ones are safe at home. You can customize these notifications to receive alerts for specific events or people, tailoring the system to your unique needs. AI-powered fall detection systems, discreetly monitoring movement and automatically detecting falls, providing a crucial safety net for elderly or vulnerable individuals, can automatically call for help if you need it, contacting emergency services or designated caregivers, ensuring a rapid response in critical situations. This can be a life-saving feature, providing immediate assistance when it's needed most, providing independence and peace of mind, allowing individuals to maintain their autonomy and live comfortably in their own homes for longer. Smart smoke and carbon monoxide detectors, going beyond traditional alarms by detecting threats earlier and providing detailed information about the location and severity of the problem. Alert you and your family instantly, sending notifications to your mobile devices even if you're miles away, allowing you to take swift action and potentially prevent a disaster. Even if you're away, ensuring that you're always connected to your home and able to respond to emergencies no matter where life takes you. AI can spot water leaks, detecting even the smallest drips before they cause significant damage, saving you money and preventing costly repairs. Or remind you if the garage door is open, a simple oversight that can compromise your security. Small checks that prevent big problems, proactively addressing potential issues before they escalate into major headaches. Think of it as a silent guardian, constantly monitoring your home and providing an invisible shield of protection. Always watchful but never intrusive, seamlessly integrating into your home environment without disrupting your daily life. These systems empower you to age in place, providing the support and security needed to live comfortably and independently in your own home as you grow older. With dignity and security, allowing you to maintain your independence and enjoy a fulfilling life in the comfort of your own surroundings. The peace of mind they bring, knowing that you're protected and connected, is invaluable, is a gift to you and your loved ones, providing reassurance and strengthening the bonds that matter most. A smart home isn't about flashy gadgets. It's about creating a secure and supportive environment that enhances your quality of life. It's about comfort, safety, and freedom, empowering you to live life to the fullest, knowing that your home is always looking out for you. Let AI transform your house, turning it into a haven of safety, security, and convenience, into a caring, protective home where you can relax, recharge, and enjoy life with complete peace of mind. Security is the foundation for living your best life, providing the confidence and freedom to pursue your passions and enjoy every moment. Rest easy. AI is looking out for you, providing a watchful eye and a helping hand, ensuring your safety and well-being around the clock. We've seen 5 ways AI can make life simpler, safer, and more connected. From voice assistants to smart homes, this technology is here to empower, not intimidate. Be curious. Try one new tool and see how it can enrich your life. You don't have to do it all at once, just take the first step. Thank you for joining me. Subscribe for more tips on living vibrantly. Until next time, take care and remember, the best is yet to come.